Want to skyrocket your SEO and boost organic traffic using AI? Today I'm showing you the best AI plugins for SEO optimization you should be using right now, whether you're a blogger, marketer, or business owner. From automated content suggestions to real-time optimization, these tools make SEO easier, faster, and smarter. Let's dive in. First up, All-in-One SEO. AIOSEO, one of the most comprehensive WordPress SEO plugins ever. It includes AI-powered tools for metadata optimization, keyword suggestions, search insights, and more, all aimed at boosting your rankings and visibility without heavy manual work. Next, Rank Math, a powerful AI-driven SEO plugin that integrates smart content AI directly inside WordPress. It helps you optimize posts as you write, suggests related keywords, offers schema markup support, and even tracks your keyword ranks. Don't sleep on Yoast SEO, one of the oldest and most trusted SEO tools. Now with built-in AI assistance, it can generate SEO-friendly titles and meta descriptions and gives real-time feedback on your content. We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at buddydevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thanks for watching.